Today, I'm going to share something that could literally change your financial future.
So imagine waking up one day and realizing that you've been sleeping on tools that could literally change your life financially. That's what today's video is about. I'm going to show you 5 powerful AI tools that, if used the right way, can help you start earning serious money. No fluff, just real strategies. And yes, I'll also explain how each one makes sense in a practical way. Let's jump in. The first AI tool you need to know about is ChatGPT, but not just for chatting. Most people don't realize how powerful this thing is for building actual income streams. You can use it to write content for blogs, craft product descriptions for e-commerce, create email marketing campaigns for small businesses, or even script YouTube videos like this one. What people are doing now is creating a simple Fiverr gig, offering things like AI-generated scripts or AI-powered marketing ideas, and using ChatGPT behind the scenes. The key is, don't sell the tool, sell the outcome. You're not offering ChatGPT, you're offering someone a ready-to-go idea or a completed project. Next, we've got Midjourney, and trust me, if you're even a little creative, this tool can open big doors. Midjourney lets you generate stunning images just by typing prompts. People are creating AI-generated coloring books, custom wall art, product mock-ups, and even NFTs. But here's the real hack. Go on Etsy or Redbubble, check what kind of designs are trending, then use Midjourney to create similar, but better versions. You don't need to be an artist, you just need to be good at spotting what sells, and Midjourney will take care of the rest. The third tool is something not many people are talking about yet, Opus Clip. If you've ever tried to grow on social media, you know how hard video editing can be. Opus Clip turns long-form videos into viral short clips in seconds. It automatically finds the most engaging parts, adds captions, zooms, and more. Now imagine offering this as a service. I'll turn your podcast into TikToks, or I'll repurpose your YouTube videos. You can even target coaches, YouTubers, or podcasters who are too busy to do it themselves. It's fast, automated, and profitable. Moving on to number 4, Durable.co. This one's a secret weapon if you want to help businesses go online, or even launch your own. Durable is an AI website builder that literally builds a full website for a local business in under a minute. Think plumbers, electricians, event planners. Here's the trick. Go to local Facebook groups, find someone asking for a website, build them a mock one using Durable and say, "I made this for you. Want it?" That type of initiative shows skill and gives you instant leverage. You could easily charge $50 to $300 per site. Finally, number 5, Browse AI. This is more technical but super powerful. Browse AI lets you train a bot to pull data from any website. Let's say you want to monitor product prices on Amazon, real estate listings on Zillow, or trending gigs on Fiverr. You can create your own dashboards, automate research, and even sell this data to businesses. One guy I read about tracks flight prices using this and sells the info to a Telegram group. Another monitors sneaker drops for resellers. If you understand trends and data, this tool becomes a money printing machine. Now, if you're thinking this all sounds great, but where do I even start? The answer is pick one, just one. Focus for 30 days, don't chase all 5 at once. Let's say you start with ChatGPT. Build a simple gig, offer one service, get feedback, then improve. And remember, these tools are not shortcuts, they're accelerators. They won't replace hard work, but they will make it 10x's faster and more scalable. Also, don't forget, you don't need to be an expert in AI. You just need to know how to use it better than the average person. That's your edge. If you learned something new today or felt a spark of motivation, do me a favor, share this video with one person who needs to see it. That's how we grow this channel and help more people escape the 9-to-5 grind. All right, I'll see you in the next one where I'll reveal a real-life case study of someone using AI to make $10,000 a month. You don't want to miss that.